Kumusta? Let's listen to some sentences in Cebuano. Can you pick up these words? Og, ang, and sa.
Magkapareserba ko og lamesa?
Makapareserba ko og lamesa?
Makapareserba ko og lamesa? Makapareserba ko og lamesa? So could I book a table? Now in this context, the word og appears right in front of the word for table, la mesa. Now why is this so? We'll take a look. Now if we break this sentence down, remember now in Cebuano, many words are actually made up of often a root, a prefix, and a suffix, depending on the word. So in this context, makapa means can cause or can make something happen. And what can a person make happen? Well, in this case, reserva, reservation. So the word together, makapareserba, means can someone make a reservation? And in this context, again, we look very carefully at the word ko, which means I. So combining these two together, you get makapareserba ko is can I make a reservation? And then why is the ok behind ko? Well, that shows actually an indefinite object, a non-specific object. Well, table. So together, it means can I reserve a table? Can I book a table? Can I make a reservation involving a table, literally? Can I make a reservation involving a table? A table. That's why the sentence translates to could I book a table? A table. All right?
Dili ko miinom og alkohol.
Dili ko mainom og alkohol.
Dili ko mukaon og isda.
Dili ko mukaon og isda.
So in this example, dili ko mo inom og alcohol. I don't drink alcohol. The word og over here is used to indicate that the alcohol is indefinite. You're not saying, I don't drink the alcohol or I don't drink that alcohol. It's not a specific alcohol. It's just that I don't drink alcohol in general. And that's why og is in front of the word alcohol. We can see this again in the next sentence. I don't eat fish, which is dili ko mukaon og isda. Again, you have the word I don't eat fish. So og can be translated into English as like a boy, a fish, a bottle of alcohol, or some, or in a negative sentence, even nothing at all. I don't eat fish. If you use the word ang, for example, in this context, then it would be I don't eat the fish.
Mahimo bang makita ang menu?
Mahimo bang makita ang menu?
Now let's look at this example. Mahimo bang makita ang menu. So you see where this comes in. Can I or could I see the menu? In this case, the menu is marked by ang because that shows a definite object. Can I see the menu, a specific menu? For example, at a restaurant, at this particular restaurant, I would like to see your menu. Rather than can I see a menu from any restaurant? No, you're talking about the restaurant where you just made your reservation. So you see how it goes, og and ang. So that's the difference. Og is more indefinite. Ang shows something that's definite and something that's usually emphasized. Like, can I see the menu? I don't want to see anything else. I want to see the menu. All right. What about sa? How does that come in? Well, if you see a sentence like this,
Lamesa para sa duha, palihog.
Lamesa para sa duha palihog.
la mesa para sa duha palihok, it literally means a table. The Spanish word for table, la mesa, has been borrowed as one word. So the table in Spanish is la mesa in Cebuano. Para sa duha means for two. So in certain prepositions like para, which means for, require the particle sa. And that's just a bit. So you just have to remember them. So para sa duha. Palihok means please. And finally, the word sa has another function that we can look at. So this is sa when it's used with a preposition para sa. The other function is actually one that's very interesting because it deals with location and direction.
Sa Sabado moadto ko sa sinihan.
Sa Sabado moadto ko sa sinihan.
So, location. On Saturday, sa Sabado, okay, moadto ko sa sinihan. Okay, sa Sabado. So on Saturday, you talk about a time and a place. On Saturday, I'm going to the cinema. Sa sinehan. So in this sentence, what we can see is the word sa has more of a locative function. It shows that the location where something happens. Two words or on at a certain specific point in time. So on Saturday, sa Sabado, right? And then I'm going to the cinema, to the theater. So sa sinehan. So in this word, you see the word sa has more of like at a certain time, at a certain place, and two words a certain place. So there's also a location and direction. And we will see more examples of this very, very, very useful particle as we go along. Until next time.